Okay, looking at the top, and again, there's a variety of ways of doing this thing, and I'll go through those ways. Like if I were looking at this thing, I'd find it acceptable if someone did long division over here. Let me write that down for you. X minus 4, and I'm going to divide that into x cubed. I'm going to put down 0x squared. There are no x squareds. I'm going to put down 0x. There are no x's. And then minus 64. What do I do? Try to do a match. What times x gives you x cubed? That would be x squared. What does that give you? X cubed minus 4x squared. What do you do now? Subtract. You get 4x squared. What times x would give you 4x squared plus 4x? That would give you 4x squared minus 16x. I forgot to drop my places down. I'll do it now. 0x minus 64. What do you do now? Subtract. You get 16x minus 64. What times x would give you 16x plus 16? So what does it give you? 16x minus 64. Subtract, you get 0, which is kind of remarkable. Let's write this down. There's nothing wrong with doing it that way. What did you find out? When you did that division, provided x is not 4, because you'd be dividing by 0, that limit says that, I'd have this limit. Same exact problem. I can use the limit laws now by just simply plugging in. And what do you get? 16, 16, 16. Because 4 squared is 16, 4 times 4 is 16, and that constant 16. 3 16 is worth 48. All right, that's one way to do it. Other students are going to say, I want to do it differently, and that's fine. So let me erase this over here. That was a long division. We're not saying that everyone would have done a long division, but it's not a bad technique to go through. I want to do it a different way, and I'm going to look at it as a factorization problem. To do that, I need to know the difference of perfect cubes. Let me write that down for you. A cubed minus b cubed, is equal to a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now, that's the difference of perfect cubes. Let's write this down. Limit. Yep, that needs to be written down. X goes to 4. What do you get over here? X minus 4. On top, what do you get? X minus 4. I'm using the difference of perfect cube formula there. Well, you're going to get x squared. Then you're going to get plus 4x. And then you're going to get 16. What happens here? X is not 4. So these things are not 0. They cancel off. Can I do that arithmetic? Of course I can. Again, as we did before, I'm using the limit laws. 4 squared is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. And the constant 16. What are 3 16s worth? 48. Right. No matter what we do, we're going to get 48. Thank you.